You might be surprised to learn that fortune telling in its various forms is actually regulated in Singapore. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that might surprise some of you. Fortune telling and fraudulent charitable collections in Singapore. We'll be talking about the legal framework under the Miscellaneous Offences Public Order and Nuisance Act, the penalties for violations and any other codes of conduct related to fortune telling or feng shui in Singapore. So if you have ever wondered about the legalities of predicting someone's future or how to avoid getting scammed by fake charities, stay tuned. Now, you might be surprised to learn that fortune telling in its various forms is actually regulated in Singapore. Under Section 27B of the Miscellaneous Offences Public Order and Nuisance Act, fortune telling can be considered an offence if it's linked to fraudulent intent. The law is mainly concerned with preventing individuals from using fortune telling as a front for deception. Whether it's palm reading, tarot cards, or even astrology, the legal issue arises when the fortune teller tries to manipulate someone into parting with their money under false pretenses. For example, someone may be told that they are cursed or need to pay a large sum of money to have the curse removed. This type of scenario, where fear is used to extract money, could land the fortune teller in hot water with the law. In a similar vein, fraudulent charitable collections are also regulated under the Miscellaneous Offences Public Order and Nuisance Act, specifically under Section 27E. This section makes it an offence to fraudulently represent that money is being collected for a charitable cause when in fact it is not. This is a vital safeguard because charities play an important role in Singapore society, and the law ensures that people who donate their hard-earned money are not being deceived by fraudsters posing as charitable organizations. Imagine someone setting up a fake charity claiming that donations will go to disaster victims or a social cause, but instead the money is being pocketed by the collector. This can lead to severe legal consequences. Let's talk about the legal penalties. Under Section 27, anyone found guilty of fraudulent fortune telling or fake charitable contributions can face a fine of up to $2,000 or prison of up to 3 months or to both. So the law takes a strong stance against using fortune telling or raising funds for charities as a way to deceive others. So while Singapore doesn't have a specific code of conduct to regulate fortune telling or feng shui practices, it's important for practitioners to be mindful of consumer protection laws. Deceptive trade practices as well as breaches of contracts can lead to legal actions even outside the scope of the Miscellaneous Offences Act. Feng Shui practitioners, for instance, should ensure that their services are clearly defined and transparent to avoid any misunderstandings or potential legal issues. Over-promising or making guarantees, such as assuring financial success based on Feng Shui remedies, can be risky from a legal perspective. Some reputable Feng Shui associations also impose self-regulatory codes of ethics on their members, emphasizing the importance of honesty, transparency, and professionalism. So if you're seeking fortune telling or feng shui services, it's a good idea to verify the legitimacy of the practitioner. So there you have it, the legal ins and outs of fortune telling and charitable collections in Singapore. Whether you're someone who dabbles in fortune telling or a consumer seeking these services, it's crucial to understand these laws and how they protect the public from fraudulent practices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.